It's a certified 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLA. This GLA is the perfect mix of flexibility, fuel efficiency, and fun, with engineering that delivers capability, luxury, and class-leading innovation. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, streaming audio, refrigerated box located in the glove box, dual zone climate control, external memory control, memory exterior door mirror settings, driver and passenger memory seats, and automatic transmission. This from Cars.com. Small in size, but big otherwise, the design of the Mercedes-Benz GLA blends nicely with the curvaceous styling language currently in vogue. High style, high performance, Mercedes-Benz. Experience it for yourself today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,